Now I want to show you 3 different ways that you can use them. The first way is aromatically. You can breathe oils in through cupped hands, like we did with the peppermint a second ago, or you can use a diffuser. The aromatic use of oils helps boost mood, it helps open airways, and it even freshens the air. This use of oils, I got to be honest, it always tripped me up because I didn't really understand how it benefited my health. I got that it made the air smell good and was probably a way better alternative to candles, but how does that really help my health in the long run? So, humor me for just a second and do this with me. Take your right hand and put it on the bridge of your nose. Take your other hand and put it on the back of your head. Where you're holding at the bridge of your nose is your olfactory nerve, and it runs in one single connection called a synapse to the back of the brain. It specifically connects to the limbic system in the back of the brain, which is the seat of our emotions. It's our mood and it controls our memories. It's the only connection in the brain that has a direct pathway. So in 30 seconds, or so, maybe a little longer, a message goes from your nose and hits the back of your brain. This is why when you smell something, it triggers a memory, which then triggers a feeling. So the aromatic use of oils or your sense of smell is actually the fastest way to shift mood and emotion. Think about it, the doctor, when they want to put you under. What do they use? They put a mask on you and they tell you to count to 30, but you rarely make it because in seconds you're out. They have basically diffused medication to you. So the first way is aromatically. The second way is topically. You're going to apply the oils to the area of your biggest concern or need, like if it's muscle pain or digestive issues. My favorite place to actually apply my oils is the back of my neck, right near my hairline at the base of my skull. Or you can use this acronym, FEW, to help you remember where to apply them. F is for feet. Apply them to the bottom of your feet because number one, our feet have the largest pores of our body and it absorbs really quickly and goes throughout your entire body in 20 minutes. So put it on your feet and throw some socks on to protect your wood floor. E stands for ears. Apply it below the ears. This is where your lymph nodes are, which are connected to your endocrine system and affects your hormones. It affects mood. It affects stress levels. And W is your wrist. Apply your oil inside the wrist because there are numerous pressure points here that run all throughout your body. The last way to use essential oils is internally. You can put 2 to 3 drops in a 4 to 6 ounce glass of water, or you can also put them in a veggie capsule and just swallow it. This method of using essential oils is for daily care, or it works great to support more chronic issues like digestive issues, immunity, pain, inflammation, blood sugar, and more. But never ever internalize essential oils unless they are certified pure therapeutic grade.